Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a secure website with GoDaddy detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a secure website with GoDaddy, start by visiting the GoDaddy website. Log in to your GoDaddy account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking the sign up button. Once you are logged in, navigate to the web hosting section. Choose the hosting plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, complete the purchase process. Next, go to your account dashboard. Find the domain you want to secure and click on it. In the domain settings, look for the SSL certificates section. Choose an SSL certificate that fits your requirements. Complete the purchase of the SSL certificate. Once purchased, go back to your account dashboard. Locate the SSL certificate you just bought. Click on Setup to start the installation process. Select the domain to which you want to apply the SSL certificate. Complete the required verification steps for your SSL certificate. After successful verification, wait for the SSL to be issued. Once issued, go back to your hosting account. Navigate to the Manage section of your hosting plan. Look for the option to enable SSL. Click on the button to enable the SSL certificate for your domain. Once enabled, check your website by typing in your URL. Make sure the URL begins with https:// indicating a secure connection. If you encounter any issues, navigate to the Help section on GoDaddy. Follow the troubleshooting steps provided there. To further enhance your website's security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Regularly update your website and its plugins to ensure maximum security. Take the time to monitor your website's security regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.